Installing and removing first 28.99 DUB compatible bottom brackets using first new SRAM DUB bottom bracket toolset. With this new unique toolset, you can easily install and remove 41, 42 and 46mm bottom brackets that accept SRAM's 28.99mm crank. A wrench specifically for the BSA bottom bracket is included separately. In this video, we'll demo the toolset using the 41mm bottom bracket. A light smear of grease on both the bottom bracket and the BB shell ensures smooth installation and removal. We install one side at a time, starting with the drive side. This piece will fit into the BB shell on the non-drive side. This will fit directly into the bottom bracket's inner diameter and press it into the BB shell. The bottom bracket's press-in bracket fits into the bottom bracket unit's inner diameter. An 8mm Allen wrench is all you need to easily press any 41, 42 or 46mm bottom bracket into the bottom bracket shell. With the bottom bracket fully pressed into the bottom bracket shell, simply unscrew the bolt from the press-in bracket. You can then install the other bottom bracket cup into the left side. With one cup already installed, you need to reverse the tool's drive piece, since it must now rest inside and brace against the already installed bottom bracket cup. When the bottom bracket cup is installed, simply remove the pieces and store them back in the case. Both sides are now snugly installed, and Harry is pretty happy with that. These are the tool components you'll need to remove a 28.99mm inner diameter bottom bracket. The split steel hitch, which interfaces directly with the bottom bracket cup, fits onto the end of the driver. The press-fit bracket becomes the vessel that holds the bottom bracket cup as you are pressing it out of the bottom bracket shell. It needs this adapter in order to sit exactly against the bottom bracket shell. There is a separate ring adapter for 41, 42 and 46mm bottom bracket shells in this toolset. Mount the split steel hitch to the driver inside the bottom bracket shell. The split steel hitch expands over the end of the driver, then further expands inside the bottom bracket cup to be removed. Screw the retaining cup onto the bolt until it fits flush against the bottom bracket shell. With the 8mm Allen wrench, press the bottom bracket out of the bottom bracket shell. The whole lot comes out together. All that remains is to remove the bottom bracket cup from the retaining cup. To remove the other side, the split steel hitch can be mounted onto the driver and engaged with the bottom bracket cup in one movement. Press out the cup . And retrieve it. Remove the adapter. Pack everything away, ready for next time. Having used the tool set once or twice, you'll find it's possible for bottom bracket installation or removal on both sides to take no more than 1 minute. Thanks for watching, and make sure you click that subscribe button so as not to miss out on lots more like this throughout the year.